Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make highlights on Instagram. Instagram highlights lets you keep your favorite stories on your profile permanently. So let me show you how to create them. The first step is post stories first. Post the content you want to include in your highlights as a story, and only published stories can be added to highlights. Let's start by publishing a story here. Let's go on Instagram and let's swipe right and let's post a random picture. As you can see, I'm gonna post it right here. Now for your post, it should be more specified and more edited depending on your needs. Now once the story is published, create a new highlight. And to do that, just go to your profile and tap the plus icon under the bio section. Let's click on your profile picture and let's click on under edit profile on the plus icon right here. Click add a new highlight. As you can see, this is the story I published right now. I'm gonna select it, tap and hold on the existing highlight, and then click on next. Once you select it, select this one, click on next, it's not selected. Now it's selected, click on next. Now write a name for the highlight you want. You can write anything, just gonna do now. You can also edit the cover, choose the cover, and add or remove stories. And that's it, click on done. And just like that, you added a highlight. For additional tips, use custom designed cover images for a professional look and organize highlights by themes like travel, recipes or work, and update them regularly to keep your profile fresh and engaging. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you make highlights on Instagram. It's very easy and very simple. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.